71 Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic SE. Most importantly with this car, it's the D300, so it's the 300 brake horsepower. It's the SE model, so you get a lovely specification inside. It's the R-Dynamic, which gives you that styling, so it gives you the black styling around the arches and the great look of the car. 21-inch diamond cut wheels, beautiful interior, done 5,600 miles, 7 seats. We had 2 of these cars yesterday. One was a D300, one was a D250. They're sold instantly, and that'll be the same with this car. It's priced on the money to sell. It's the latest model, and it's the most desirable 7-seater vehicle on the road. New generation car, so you've got the new lights. The R-Dynamic, what I touched on, gives you all this black styling, the grille, the badges, and them lights at the front there are beautiful. So that's the facelift, the new generation exterior aspect of the car. You've then got the R-Dynamic styling all around the arches. It's got side steps, it's got privacy glass, it's got black roof rails. It's also got a detachable Towbar as well, which is a great option. 2 of the Discoveries I sold yesterday, I've just arranged to get Towbars fitted, so this car has got one, and people want a Towbar these days. LED rear lights, they're the new style lights, and you can see they're D300, so it's the 300 V6 engine. It drives unbelievable. On top of that, this car is a 71, so you've got warranty till the end of 2024. And inside, it's beautiful. So it's keyless entry, and then you've got this lovely 2-tone interior. So you've got the Meridian sound system, you've got memory seats, you've got the half black and ivory interior. You've got glass roof inside, and you've got this lovely new 11.4-inch screen in the centre, new digital dials, new style gear stick. Now this is also a big one. On an R-Dynamic SE, normally the sunroof is fixed. This car's got the optional extra sliding sunroof, makes a huge difference to everything, sellability and everything with the car. That is a massive option, £2,000 option. You've then got the 11.4-inch screen. Let me show you what you get with that. So you've got all your new features, which is all digital, it's all touchscreen, all your different driving styles, your digital climate control, your Apple CarPlay. The camera system, as you can see, is unbelievable, top view, side view, and you've got the 3D camera system. So the safety features on these new cars are superb. You've then got heated seats, driver and passenger, digital climate control, front and rear heated screens, all your different switchable driving modes. So it's a great car. Bags of space, loads of room. Look at it in the back. So this car's a 7-seater, so the 3 seats here, as you can see, you've got loads and loads of leg space. That's why they're very popular, because it's the space and the practicality. You've got all the new USB charging points in the back and in the centre there as well. And them seats there are electric adjustable as well. So let's open this. So you've got your electric tailgate. And then here, I'll just press this down, you've got your extra 2 seats here, which are full-size 7 seats. So not littler seats, they're the big ones. In the back, you can drop them down and have that huge boot space. But most people love having the 7-seat option. The colour I mentioned earlier is Eiger Grey. That's an optional extra. So the key things are, the colour's a great colour. It's the R-Dynamic SE. It's got the sliding roof. It's only done 5,600 miles. And most importantly at the end, it is a 300 brake horsepower car. It's going live on the website now. Thank you for watching.